is me, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, that was my dog. I was howling because I was trying to get his attention. See, watch. Ow, ow! Ow! Bro, look at these pink collar. You chose it. It was me, bro. It was me because I'm his favorite.